doing? Yeah, what are they doing? It is. It's just a blur of the same colourings.
I find it very weird that there's two dogs.
Who's winning? Loki, considering you're bigger, you're not doing very well.
Yeah,
Kay is on top.
playing.
Look.
I think it's great, actually.
Yeah, they seem to be getting on well. They probably missed having someone their own size to play with. Since they haven't been in their litters, you know.
Yeah. Shaking those because there's not many good ones.
No.
Always miss the best.
She's so small compared to him, I can't believe. Come on. Loki! Come on. That's it, that's my boy.